Today we're walking through the new color refresh from Concord and 9th for 2026. I have new colors, I have retiring colors, and we can go over all of that together. So stick around. Hello my beautiful crafty people. This is Ellen with EGI Designs, and thank you so much for stopping by today. Today we're going to go over the new Concord and 9th color refresh for 2026. So that is exciting. The new colors are out, and I just wanted to go walk through that with you. So the first thing I will say is that there are 4 colors that are retiring, and that is the Dove, Carnation, Grape Soda, and Nutmeg. So if these are colors that you love, make sure you go grab the cardstock, reinkers, all the things, so that you can keep using those even after they are retired. I had previously done a walkthrough video of the new neutrals collection, and Concord and 9th has removed all of the neutrals out of their core collection and made it its own collection. So there are some new colors, there's some older colors, but the new ones, the ivory, shortbread, almond, sand, peanut, hazelnut, cocoa, and espresso are now available. The ivory, shortbread, and almond are pigment inks, so that is exciting. I did do a color swatch for all of these, and I have a video walking through that separately, so I will link that up top so you can go check that out. All right, and then let's get into the brand new colors. How about that? First of all, gorgeous. I also wanted to mention the colors that were from 2024 and 2025 are now moving into the core collection. So with the addition of the brand new colors for this year, that now brings the core collection to 50 colors, which is pretty awesome. All right, let's get looking through here. So what's available is the enamel dots, the new cardstock, and the new inks. There are reinkers as well. I have the ink cubes. I was able to purchase the new colors in just a little package like this, but they do have the full-size pads as well if that's what you like. All right, let's just run through this quick. The cardstock does come in a kind of like a sampler pack. You do get 12 sheets, so 2 of each of the 6 colors, and we will go through those. And then the enamel dots that are matching. So gorgeous. All right, so let's look at this first. Look at this color. This is Berry Kiss. Look at how bright this is. It's such a great addition. This is I swatched it out. Look at that perfect match, right? It looks like there's a hole in this tag and you're seeing the cardstock behind. That's exactly how perfectly everything matches with Concord and 9th. And then the enamel dots, again, everything is perfectly matched. So that is the Berry Kiss, and I don't know if the camera will do it justice, but this pink is so vibrant. It is crazy. And then we have this beautiful Aster color, and it is a light purple. And it is beautiful. I love it. And then so we have, this is the swatch and the enamel dots. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This is a perfect spring color. And then wait till you see the next one. So this is Capri. This is a beautiful blue color. And there's the ink swatch. Again, perfectly matching. And the enamel dots. And then I think my favorite in this whole new colors, this Bluebell. I don't think the camera likes these 2 blues on here. But this is very light blue with a touch of purple. Trying to see if it'll adjust the the whiteness. But it is an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous color. So a little purple and blue mix, so beautiful. Oh, and then here's the enamel dots with that. And then look at this fun green. This is Basil, and this is very Basil. It is a beautiful, beautiful green. This will be great for, you know, foliage and stems and all that kind of good stuff. And then finally, we have Surfside. And here is our swatch. And there are the enamel dots. So everything coordinates and is absolutely gorgeous. So here's that bright one again. It is so bright, this pink. It's so funny. I pulled out some of the older colors so that we could go through and kind of coordinate or see where there were holes in the core collection and why these colors make sense. So first we can do the Berry Kiss. So this is what the Berry Kiss looks like next to, here's another bright one, the Dragon Fruit and the Watermelon. So this Dragon Fruit is a little more purpley, so that you could probably do something really cool and bright with that, but I think that this really goes well with this Watermelon. That's a really nice shade together, so I think that'll be a good fit. As far as the other pinks goes, the other pinks are very kind of sort of soft and vintagey, very like pink, whereas this is like poosh, yeah, like very, very bright pink. So there's definitely a need for a color like this in the palette. Next we'll move on to the Basil, and there's some that are kind of close, but some that definitely don't match at all, and so this Basil is a great addition. I love how this looks with the sprout. I think that would be so fun for, you know, foliage and just bright kind of scenes where you need those kind of green colors. And the parsley also I think goes well with that. It's just a little bit lighter of that. The clover has a little bit different tone in it. A little bit bluish, maybe, undertone. Whereas the basil is very, very green. Let's see. And then here, those more kind of rich greens, like the eucalyptus. So this has kind of got the gray. And then the rainforest. So these aren't, you know, in that same kind of tone at all. So again, this is a great addition. And then the grasshopper is like way off. So, and then the pistachio isn't too bad. This has a little bit more yellow in it. And then we get into those kind of blue-green tones. And with blue-green tones, some have more green and some have more blue, so they don't always go well together. But so here is the lakefront. This doesn't go together too badly. This definitely goes pretty well with the sea glass. Here it is with the tide pool. So the tide pool is a different color value tone with that. The aqua sky, again, this is more blue than the green. And here's the ocean side. So I think that this does look very well together. It's got that same blue-greeny tone with that. Alright, then on to the blues. So the Bluebell is kind of a little difficult because it's kind of bluish and purple, but we can check it out against some of the blues. So here's the Midnight. So that really goes very well with this Bluebell. With the Capri, not so much. Then we have the Blueberry. And again, this goes really well with that. I think that would be a really cute, if you made flowers out of these, those would look really well together, I think. The Capri with the Blueberry, it's not really awesome. And then with the powder, so this could be nice for like spring, like florals or something. I do actually like these together a little bit. Alright, and then on with the purples. So the new one is the Aster. And this does go nicely with this lilac. I think that would look really good together. And see, this is purpley, but it's so much more blue. And then also the Aster with the fig is really nice. You've got those like pinky purple tones in that. With the eggplant, I think that looks great. And then this is the plumberry. So you could kind of get a cool effect. The plumberry is a little bit more like kind of purpley brownish, sort of. But I think those look good together. Like you could do a cool, if you were like stenciling, you could do a cool shading with that. And I think that would look well together. Okay. So there is our comparisons. I will list for you everything I'm showing today. That'll be over in the description box and over on my blog. And if you are watching on a television, I will put a QR code up top so you can scan that and it'll take it to the list of things that I'm showing today. Again, I will link over so you can check out that neutrals video if you want to do that. If you've enjoyed this walkthrough video, I would love it if you could hit that like button and also consider subscribing to my channel, as it helps me get out my content to other crafters just like you. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.